Hello, my name is Maria Escobar, and I will be doing my disease report on toxoplasmosis. So this disease is caused by a parasite called Toxoplasma gondii. This parasite is often found in cat feces and sometimes even contaminated food. So as you can see, the affected species are cats. They are the definite host for this parasite, and this is for all cat species, not just domestic cats. To the symptoms of this parasite, most cats infected with this show no signs, but when they are symptomatic, they show the following, which is loss of appetite, weight loss, vomiting, diarrhea, seizure, and runny eyes. If the lungs are infected by this parasite, it can lead to the cat having pneumonia, which can often cause difficulty breathing, and if not treated, it can get gradually worse. I also want to add that if the liver is infected, it may cause a yellowish tint to the skin and mucous membrane. So the way that this parasite is transmitted, it's by cats ingest organism that's in an infected animal. The intermediate host is usually a rodent. After being ingested, toxoplasma eggs are present in cat feces. So when cats usually they chase after mice or rats, they are the intermediate hosts that carry the parasite, which is the way that the cats do get infected. The way that cats can become infected with this parasite is by eating food that has been contaminated with oocysts from feces. So, talking about prevention and treatment, do not allow cats to catch rodents or birds because that can cause them to get the parasite into their system, since the rodent is the intermediate host for this parasite. No raw foods at all. Most likely cooked foods would be a way to prevent this from happening. Also changing the cat litter daily before oocysts start becoming infectious. So like the dry litter should be disposed of without shaking or any movement, or even flushed down the toilet, or carefully dispose of them with a bag. Also, of course, sanitizing and washing your hands after the removal of the cat litter is really necessary to protect yourself as well. And for the treatment, it is recommended for the cat to take oral liquid droplets called clindamycin. It is an antibiotic and it's only for the use of animals, not humans. So the zoonotic status for this parasite is yes, it is animal to human transmission. So because the parasite lies in the feces of cats, and when we are responsible for removing the cat litter, it's really important to do it daily or as soon as possible to prevent any parasite infection to yourself. For the geographical occurrence, I was unable to find a local case or an incident for this parasite. I did find that 11% of the US population in the last 6 years have been infected with this parasite. And this will conclude my presentation. Thank you everyone for listening.